This is Brother Barnes, and my students and I did a neat experiment. I call it a fun lab, in which we calculated the density of some wooden blocks. We determined the mass and the dimensions, and we used some formulas to calculate volume and density. And then I selected this data and I inserted a graph and picked up some descriptive statistics, and the graph made these calculations. But what I want to do now is use an analysis ToolPak in Excel to do the same thing, and let's compare information and see if it sheds any more light on the situation. I'm going to insert my analysis right in here, so I'm going to pick this little. Yes, that's exactly what I thought. I did a practice run a few minutes ago, and there's the rest of the data. So let's get rid of that. Let's right click and let's clear the contents. All right, so I can see that it extends quite far down. Let's minimize this. Once again, let's go back and let's bring that down to maybe, man, is there a way that we could get this into a single line? Hold on just a second. Let me try this. That does not work yet. Let's drag that out and let's try to see if we can get this minimized so that we can do this data analysis and have plenty of room to get the job done. Let's shrink this very small, and now let's move this down about as low as we can go. And actually, we're not adding graphs anymore, are we? We're going to do data analysis. We're going to do data analysis with Excel ToolPak. Let's do that. Data, not SATA, data analysis with the Excel ToolPak. Let's do that. Excel analysis. I'm not sure if that's spelled correctly right there, but let's center that. Let's go back home and let's center that. Let's go with that. I think that'll give us enough room to insert. Let's talk about how to get to the ToolPak first. Here's the data analysis listed over here, and we're going to get to that, but I want to show you how to get that added in to your Excel world. Go to File and go to Options, and then you see where it says Add-ins. Click Add-ins, and it's this Analysis ToolPak that I needed to have added in. I've already added it in, so it would probably be down in here, and you would click on it and then say OK or something like that. That will get it added in for you. That's really kind of important, because this is a nice shortcut. Let's go to Data, and we're going to put the analysis data about right here. I think this will be the right spot. What is this? C10? Man, I may not have enough room there. We'll see. We can always move this out of the way if we have to. We'll try to put our data in C10, and it'll populate right into this region. So let's go to Data, and actually, so that you can see a little bit better, I want to bring this back up where you can see the titles adequately. Let's go back now. Let's go to Data, and let's go to Data Analysis, and let's go to Descriptive Statistics, and let's click OK. And we want our input data. Let's go back and do this again. We want that to be this column right here. And I do want to include the label density. My output label, though, is C10. I don't want I don't want D10. Let's go back. Let's click that, and it picked up C10. I want summary statistics, and let's click OK. Yes, that is nice. Everything fit pretty well. Now we've got some things cut off, and so let's see if we can move this around. Will that mess everything up? No. Our standard deviation. We're doing okay. All right, let's take a look at this and see how much agrees. It said that the mean is 0.503, and there is the mean, 0.503. The median is 0.48169. The mode would be the most common value. There's not one that was, in the density that was repeated, so we didn't have a mode. It lists standard deviation, sample variance. All right, there's a min of 0.36833, yes, and then there's a max of 0.76173, and then there's a range. Okay, that would be from the high to the low, so that's 0.34. So there's another way to look at this data. I kind of like what the box and whisker plot does for us, but this is another way to get descriptive data for, descriptive analysis for data. Very good. I think we'll keep this.